First gruel for the babies. Oh man, I'll tell you what. Oh, here, let me get that off your face for you. Oh, I'll get yours too. Okay. We have to make it a bit thinner. There you go. Let them finish this, and I'll wake up the other three and give them some. I imagine they get cannon butt the first time, but we'll see how this goes. But it's time to give Jade a break. What's odd is we didn't get anybody stepping in the bowl like I normally see puppies do. Jade's trying to get in here. She wants to eat that up. She likes it. Nope, there's the step in. We got it. Had to happen. Oh, she smells Jade. Jade knows. Okay.